The chainsaw chain attaches to and rotates around the guide bar. The guide bar is made of laminated steel and has a groove milled all the way around its edge that the chain fits into. It has a rotating sprocket on the tip that reduces friction as the chain curves around it. Chainsaw bars will wear over time. The chain groove will widen, which will cause the chain to tilt and pull to one side when cutting. The tip of the bar, just behind the sprocket, is a common wear spot. The metal will wear faster here, which can lead to the chain not lining up with the sprocket, causing it to jump off the bar. Dirt is the guide bar's enemy. When dirt gets between the chain and the bar, it acts like sandpaper, quickly wearing the chain groove wider. Replacing the guide bar is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover from the saw. The side cover is held in place with 2 nuts. Once the nuts are loosened, I'll loosen the tension on the bar. Now I can remove the nuts. And before I remove the side cover, I want to make sure that the brake is unlocked. Now I'll remove the chain from the bar. I'll push the bar back, pull the chain off the sprocket on the front of the bar, and then pull it away from the rear sprocket. With the chain removed, now I can remove the bar. Now I can install the new bar. I place it over the studs, and I'll slide it back as far as it'll go. Now I can reinstall the chain. First, I place the chain around the rear sprocket. Next, I'll align the driver links with the groove in the top of the bar. I'll pull the bar tight, bringing the chain up to it. At this point, make sure that the cutters are pointing rearward on the bottom of the bar. Now I can replace the side cover. With the side cover in place, I'll install the bar nuts, but leave them loose, only finger tight at this point. Now I'll hold the front of the bar up and turn the tension screw to tighten the chain. I don't want it too tight. I should be able to still pull the chain away from the bar, but it shouldn't be able to pull a complete driver link out of the bar. That looks good, so I'll go ahead and tighten up the nuts. And that's how easy it is to install a new bar on your chainsaw.